Oh my gosh.
We actually walked across the river because we couldn't drive across, so we walked across the river.
Nice, nice. What do you mean you couldn't drive across?
Well, it was a little too deep to drive, so we decided to just stop.
Gotta know your limits.
Gotta know your limits.
What happened? Is your engagement ring stuck on your nose ring?
Maybe.
How did that happen? Are you picking your nose?
Push your feet down. No, hold on. Did I get the truck? That's my truck. That is my truck.
You've been sitting in here for a while. I need you to get out of the car. We're not going nowhere. Don't you pout. Coco, look at me. You don't need to pout. You're a big girl now.
Dad, go really fast after this, okay?
Right, so ready for top speed?
Yep.
Ready, set, go!
You want her cat food? Why? You just had your dinner. But you just had... No.
Sadie, where's your ball? Where's your ball?
You can have him when he's clean. He's dirty right now. He's okay. It's not hurting him. He's taking a shower.
He came in one day after one of these episodes.
Look, Buster's chewing on the hose.
Betsy.
That's perfect.
Here is our porch door and our back porch. And there they are, over there in the mud. Oh my God.
Oh.
Eat off the ground.
That's funny.
Smile, Milo, you're on candid camera. Whoa!
Save the turtle. Go get it. Go save it. Good girl. Good girl, Bella.
He's on it all the way.
I know.
He's not even slipping off. And now he is.
You turned me down, Michael. Why would I let you?
Where is it, Bailey? Where is it?
Oh my gosh. Oh, Rocco, you're so funny. Get it.
You love mommy? I can't hear you. You do? How much? Aw, I love you too. You love me? Really? Aw, you're my best pal.
Oh my gosh!
How do I get off this thing?
Jump.
Nobody's on it.
I'll save you.
Yeah, look at Jack. Oh, Jack.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Mira, mira. You can get it. Doggy paddle. Try it with your tongue. Oh.
Some other dogs go, "Roo, roo, roo."
Yuki, come in. Come on in.
Izzy wants to go with you.
Waylon, come here. Come on. Oh no, it won't fit. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Oh no. Oh no.
Hey, Riley, no barking.
Ready?
Yeah.
There she goes in. She cannot make it.
Don't put your head down. Don't. All right, Aunt Marcia, put your arm down. Oh, dang. Are you okay?
Okay. Okay, then you come back up. Then you come on the other side. Oh, God. It was fun.
Y'all ain't recording this.
You gotta do it real fast. Oh, I can't do it. I can't.
Hey Google, what does a cow sound like?
This is a cow.
Here it goes.
What? No! No! Oh my god! No! What? Oh my! Yes, baby! Let's go!
Get out. Oh, I got it.
No.
Bueno, squeak, This one,
Which one of our dogs was eating a Kleenex? This guy? That guy? This cutie? Koda, what you got?
He's like walking her. Teaching you to bring it all the way back. That's a good girl.
Rough.
That's Luna. Say hi, Luna.
Do you want to get a bath? Let's go get a bath. Come on. Hurry it up. Let's get a bath. Yay! Good boy.